Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. December is here. It's holiday season. It's Christmas season. So मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना red cherry is so much in trend. Cherry red, cola red is so much in trend, and I've been seeing a lot of this cherry red handbags, and I could not resist myself. I have spotted so beautiful bags here on Savana, and I had to obviously go ahead and try it. Cherry red is so much in trend. I've been seeing cherry red. People have been wearing cherry red all throughout the year, especially bags के तौर पे या फिर shoes के तौर पे. And मैं ना cherry red handbags को हर जगह देख रही हूँ, and I was like, I need to go ahead and try out that for myself. And I have spotted some beautiful cherry red handbags on Savannah, and I had to go ahead and try it. 4 bags order किए थे, बस 2 ही आए हैं. So this are the bags that I had ordered, and ये डब्बे बड़े से डब्बे में आए हुए हैं. बाकी 2 handbags जब आएंगे, I will add that video and upload it on the channel. But abhi ke liye, I have 2 bags that I really want to share with you guys. So let's begin.
Funky.
I was calling to Savannah, and that's where I spotted so many beautiful cherry red handbags, and I obviously had to try it for myself. You have to go ahead and try out at least one of the bags that I'm going to share with you guys today. So the first bag जो मैं order की हूँ comes like this. बहुत ही beautifully dust bag के packaging में आपको मिल जाएगा. So outer packaging plastic है, and then you also get a dust bag right here. This is what you get. ठीक है, extra आपको dust bag मिल जाएगा to secure and keep your bag safe and free from dust and all. And when I go ahead and open this up, this is what the bag looks like. The moment I saw this, I was like, wow. Look at the bag right here. It looks absolutely stunning. Obviously, यहाँ कुछ भरा हुआ है नहीं, मैं कुछ डाली नहीं हूँ, that's why it looks flat. But this is what the beautiful bag looks like. काफी beautiful color है. The moment I saw this, I was like, this looks so nice. आप काफी चीजें इसके अंदर रख सकते हो और carry कर सकते हो. It has this very beautiful chain detailing right here. That is just absolutely god. दोनों तरफ आपको इस तरीके का chain detailing मिल जाएगा. And the bag looks like this. आगे की तरफ आपको इस तरीके का butterfly का detailing मिल जाएगा in silver, plastic or something like that. आपको इस तरीके का silver butterfly का design मिल जाएगा. And you also get a very beautiful bag charm inside. And this is how it looks like. आप इस तरीके से इस चार्म को अटैच करके बिल्कुल बहुत ही प्यारा एक डिटेलिंग ला सकते हो, which is the best part, and they have actually given it for absolutely free. And this is what the beautiful charm looks like. आपको बैग के अंदर ये दिया जाता है. So when you go ahead and open the chain, you get this very beautiful charm inside. So let's now talk about the price. तो इसका प्राइस है 1690 रुपीज. आई विल से कि और अगर थोड़ा सा कम हो जाता तो और भी ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल हो जाता कि कम प्राइस में आपको इतने अच्छा बैग्स आपको मिल जा रहे हैं. बट या अगर 1300-1200 भी हो जाता ना तो भी मैं मान लेती. आई थिंक 1690 रुपीज इज क्वाइट high price, but yeah, if you want to go ahead and carry a cherry red handbag and you want it to be on the larger side ताकि आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सामान carry कर पाओ, then I will absolutely go ahead and suggest you to go ahead and something just buy something like this ताकि आप trend के साथ साथ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सामान carry कर पाओ. So yeah, this is what my first bag looks like. My next bag is something that I have seen it all over the internet, especially Instagram पे लोग इन्हें लिए जा रहे हैं और like इतना क्या खास है इनमें, and that's when I saw and bought this. So this is what the viral cherry coke bag looks like, and I have this with me. So let's go ahead and open this up. ये dust bag के साथ नहीं आया है. So this is what the viral cherry coke handbag looks like. You guys are not ready for this. Just look at this stunning beauty right here. It has this very beautiful large and long handles, and the bag is absolutely stunning. So this is what the beautiful bag looks like. The color is absolutely gorgeous. It's so sophisticated. It looks so elegant, and the color is to die for. I can now see why it is so trending and has gone viral. The color is absolutely stunning. So this is what the beautiful handbag looks like. बहुत ही प्यारा color है. It is a tad bit darker than what it looks right now in the camera. तो हल्का सा और dark shade में है. And this is what it looks like. पीछे की तरफ आपको इस तरीके का इसका डिटेलिंग मिल जाएगा. बहुत ही साधारण सा है इसका बैग, but the whole detailing is right here. At the front आपको 2 pockets मिल जाएंगे and you can absolutely keep your stuff inside. ठीक है, आपको ये functionable pockets मिल जाएंगे इस तरीके का. ठीक है, like this. You also get a charm with this bag. I did not see this before, but this is what the beautiful bag looks like, and you do get a lot of space. आपको यहाँ का छोटा सा और pockets दिया गया है, and you can actually fit a lot of stuff. Again, chain आपको अंदर दिया गया है, so you can actually fit in a lot of stuff inside. And oh my god, what is this? Oh, it's a bow. Guys, you get this bow, pearl bow charm with the bag, and it just looks so nice. आपको इस तरीके का एक charm मिल जाएगा, and you can attach this to your bag. So let me just attach this. Let me attach this right at the front. Oh my god, do you guys see how beautiful it looks? It just looks so stunning. The moment I added the bow charm, it looked way Pinteresty than what it used to look before, and looked way better. Oh my god, it looks so nice. I did not see this before. मैं पहले एक बार already खोल के देख चुकी थी, but I did not see the inside of the bag, and I did it now, and I just found the charm, and it just looked so nice. And this is what I have ordered. So 2 bags आए and और 2 आना बाकी है. So let's see. I will add the rest of the bag video with this video and compile this and upload the video here on my channel. So wait for the next bag. Like I said earlier, जब 2 और bags आ जाएंगे, I'll just compile it and upload the video. So मेरे पास वो और 2 bags जो बाकी था ना, वो 2 आ चुका है. Again in this huge box right here. So let's begin. I have 2 of the remaining bags here with me, and I'm so excited. मैं देखी नहीं हूँ अभी तक. Let's check out this one. It looks quite big. So this is what the first bag looks like. Again, comes with a plastic outer packaging as well as a dust bag inside like this. So I have ordered this bag. ये bag ना मैंने order करा है. So let's check this out. Let's check if it's exactly the same that I can see in the picture. So here goes nothing. Oh my god, you guys, it exactly looks like the picture. I mean, wow, बहुत ही beautiful, एक simple detailing है, and that's about it. And then you get the handle inside. इसका कुछ इस तरीके का है, a very long attachment. So let me just attach the handle and then I'll be back. बहुत ही simple attachment है, इस तरीके से आपको लेनी है, and then just like a belt आपको इस तरीके से इसे ऐसे लॉक करना है. That's it. ठीक है, and just do this, and this is how you're going to handle, and this is how it looks like. I'll just close the zip. This is what the beautiful bag looks like. I mean, just look at how beautiful it looks. अगर आप और भी छोटा करना चाह रहे हो the handle, then you can go ahead and adjust according to the sizing right here. Belt का loop जैसा hoop होता है, इस तरीके से आप बिल्कुल इसे अपने according अपने convenience के हिसाब से आप sizing को adjust कर सकते हो. But this is what the bag looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. Material and quality का मैं बोलूँ, ये हल्का सा उन दोनों में से जो मैंने आपको पहले जो दिखाए थे ना, they were of very good quality, but this is very lightweight. और थोड़ा सा thick या फिर heavy होता तो और बेहतरीन हो जाता, but it is very light. Until and unless you go ahead and put something inside, it's going to be like a paper light handbag. Yeah, other than that I have no complaints. और थोड़ा सा heavy material का होता तो और भी अच्छा हो जाता. Let's check out the price. So I got this for 1,690 rupees. Again, I will not justify the price. 1,000 के अंदर अगर आ जाता तो बहुत ही अच्छा होता. I will not go ahead and spend 1,690 rupees on this bag. and I don't think it is worth the money as well क्योंकि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा light weight है. And now for the last bag that I have in this video for you guys is this right here. I have high hopes for this. So this is the bag that I have ordered. बहुत ही beautiful है. Again cherry red in color, has a lot of embellished detailing. यहाँ पे charm है. So the moment I saw this, I was like, chalo, let's try this out. So I have this right here. It looks quite small. No, it does not come with a dust bag, but oh my god, this feels 100 times better than the one that I just shared. Quality bhi achhi hai and it actually looks so nice and so beautiful. This is how you're going to get your strap or your sling attachment. बहुत ही easy है, just loop it and attach it. Okay, this is how the bag looks like after I have attached the sling. मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं ढंग से की हूँ कि नहीं या फिर सही से की हूँ कि नहीं, but this is how it looks like. I mean, wow, it is way better than the third bag that I shared with you guys. Way heavier than the previous one, and it also has a very beautiful charm. आप देख पा रहे हो charm. It looks absolutely gorgeous and it's so cute. And let's check out the price. इसका price है 2,590 rupees. Wow, I did not expect that. I was hoping कि 14 या फिर 1690 का होगा जैसे कि हर बैग का दाम है, but wow, it is actually for the price that I can see here is 2,590 rupees. Price दिखा रहा है कि 1,990, but of course right now it is on a sale for 1,393 rupees. For 1,393 rupees अगर आप इसे सेल पे खरीदते हो, then I will totally justify the price. Under rupees 1,400, 1,500, you can go for it. Above that, do not go for this. अगर आप और भी बचत करना चाह रहे हो and if you want to get more and more discounts, आप मेरा कूपन कोड को जरूर लगाना ताकि आपको और भी ज्यादा डिस्काउंट और ऑफर मिल जाए and और भी ज्यादा बचत हो जाए. So yes, that is it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. सारा कूपन कोड, सारा प्रोडक्ट का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, जरूर चेक कर लेना. And I will see you guys in my next video. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.